In this video, you'll see how to modify an existing structure and add details in Breeze ExDAM. So we've created the basic layout of the building. Now I can edit the building if it doesn't exactly match this uniform layout. So for example, let's say that on this side of the building there's a conference room. So I want to delete this wall to make this one large room. I can just select that wall, press the delete key on your keyboard, and you'll remove that wall. Now let's say this is a large conference room, so I want to extend it in this direction. Make these rooms here smaller. So to do that, I need to shorten this wall. I need to pull it back, and then I need to move these walls. So to edit any object in ExDAM, you'll hold down the Control and the Shift keys. So I want to edit the length of this. So if I hold down Control and Shift and then click on the edge of this wall, and you can see the coordinates here will show you how much I'm moving this by. So 5.25 is the original X coordinate. I can add another 0.75 meters if I just pull this back until the X value is 6. Alright, so now I've shortened that wall. Next I need to move these two walls back. To move things in ExDAM, you'll use the Control key. So if I hold down the Control key, instead of on the edge, I'm going to click in the center now of this wall. Then I can just click and drag to move that wall. Select the other one and we'll move it. So now I have this small gap that I need to fill. I'll go ahead and change the delta value here, the increment that I'll move each block in, to 0.05 to help me make the fine scale move to fill in this gap. Then I'll just do the same thing here, hold down Control Shift, then click on the edge and move it. Just click and drag that until I have a nice match there. If I go into the data tree here, I can just select that, check that building checkbox to be able to unhide the roof to show all the components again. So that's the basics of this building creation and some basic editing of the dimensions of the building. You'll see if I select one of these wall panels and go to selection, you'll see the material type is set to aluminum paneling. That's just what I had it set to for the main block when I created that main block. But you'll see the program has automatically assigned the material type for the windows to be glass. Alright, so now we've created a basic building. Let's see how we can add a door to this. So if I want to take this solid wall section and add a doorway, I'll basically cut out the shape of the doorway. So cutting is a form of editing a block. So to edit in ExDAM, again, remember you hold down Control and Shift and then click. So if I hold down Control Shift and instead of clicking on the edge, if I click in the middle, I can place a cut. You see the black cut line that's being drawn here. Let's say I want one side of the door to be here, and then I want the other side of the door to be right here. And the top of the door I want to be here. So now I can select just this one piece to be the door. So let's say that this is just a wooden door. I can change the material type to wood, and now you see the program changes the color to show me it's a different material. Now to show that process again, let's do the same thing. Let's create another door on the other side. Select the block and hold down Control Shift and then click and drag to make a cut. Control Shift, click and drag to make another cut. Now I just want to cut this block, so I'm just going to click on this middle block and click and drag to put another cut. And let's say that this is a wood panel door as well. Just select that as the material type. In this video, you've seen how to edit structures and add details in Breeze ExDAM using some of the tools of the program. Be sure to check out our other videos and the help manual to learn more about the other features of the program. Thank you for watching.